Really? I saw him when he was new. I saw him
Yeah.
in his debut, what was that, early 2025 Snapdragon Pro Series. He's like that, going up against Jeff.
From Aurora, pero ang pinaka-importante dito umumi na makakahanap ng sagot. Hindi nila nahanapan ng sagot si Brusco. Inis dito, Tommy Knight.
Superman.
Netski, Superman ko. Alam mo yung hindi, pag nagsisisigan.
Has really tested the whole team and promise talaga no sa pinakita
Sa
rin.
information ng Tommy Knight.
Okay, tingnan natin kung sino mababasa agad. Nag-break for Kirk dito. Na-picture si Kirk at nakaabang. Medyo si Kirk.
Edward!
Pero napag-figure din siya.
Oh!
Itong si Edward. Mag-aabasa ng Aurora Gaming. Gamit yung shot. Pero hindi sapat yung damage doon. At mabang na dito. Si Light sa may madali ko lang. Sino mapipicturean? May 300 na lang ata ang mangyayari. Pero